What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can change your phone number in Binance. Now for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is the world's top cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. And a lot of people use it to buy and sell crypto and it's pretty safe and secure as well. So if you want to sign up into it, I will leave a referral link in the description which you guys can use to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into it. And with that said, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And if you guys have any question, ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video now, shall we? So the first step is you want to go to Binance.com and log in into your account. Then click on your profile picture looking icon over here. And then you want to go on versus security. Now once you go on security, what you want to do is you want to scroll a bit down until you see your phone number over here. You see your phone number over here, click on versus change. Now once you click on change, it's saying that your P2P transaction and other stuff related with payment is going to be disabled for 24 hours. So just click on confirm. And once you do that, what you want to do is enter your new phone number over here. And after enter your new phone number, click on versus get code. And it's going to send a verification code to your new phone number on its SMS. See the code and enter it over here. And click on versus get code and it's going to send a verification code to your email and go to your email and enter the code over here. Now this is only going to be shown if you have turned on your email verification. If it is off, it's not going to show you. And over here it says phone verification. Click on get code and it's going to send a verification code to your current phone number over here. So go to your current phone and check the SMS and enter the code over here. And it's asking me for authenticator code, but if you guys have turned it off, it's not gonna ask you. If it is on, just go to your authenticators, see the code, enter it over here, click on submit, and all the code you entered over here is correct. Your new phone number will be added. So that's how you guys can change your phone number in Binance. Hope you guys were able to understand, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye bye.